In this case, they literally say box 1 contains 5 red and 2 white balls. Box 2 contains 4 red balls and 3 white balls. When you're seeing something like this, remember that in AASLs, when you're seeing two choice like this, you must construct a tree diagrams real quick. Do you understand? Why? Because tree diagram gonna help you to to find the answer quickly. So I think you better construct the tree diagrams in scratch paper, which is like B1, yeah, box 1 and box 2, right? And red, white, red and white, right? So for box 1, the probability of getting a box 1 is 1/2, and this also 1/2. What about red? Red for box 1. It's supposed to be 5/7, right? Like P of when what is 5/7 mean? 5/7, it mean P of red given that box 1 is chosen. Do you understand or not? If if you think like, oh, PR equal to 5/7, actually you're right but wrong in this case, because there are two reds. Oh, there are two type of reds. First in box 1 or first box, and another is second box. So when you're saying PR equal to 5/7, what are and what red come from? Box 1 or box 2? Is it accurate? No. Do you understand? So, but if you write like this, R given that B1s, which mean you chose B1 or box 1 first, and then the second terms you choose red. Do you understand? Okay, Rigato. Okay. តិចមួយសម្រាប់ខ្លួនឯងអបអរសាទរ Okay. So here white and box 1. Box 1, right? Which is 2/7. Okay? So I think it's like writing this, it can be good for you. But sometimes it wastes of time either, you know. Just 5/7 and 2/7. I'm just want to clarify what it is. When I'm saying like red, what red mean? Red given that is box 1, which means box 1 choose first and red after that. What about this? What about second box? It's gonna be 4/7 and 3/7, right? Okay. The question is about find the probability that the ball is red. And how? They want to find PR, am I right? So how many events, or how I can just say, how can we find the probability of getting a red? There are two there are two sources that red came from, right? First, which is what? Box 1. You're right. First box 1 and box 2, right? So PR, which mean when I say red, it can be red from box 1, which is B1 and red, or which mean plus P of box 2 and red. Do you understand? So it's gonna be what? Yeah, I'm trying to be British, by the way. It's gonna be 1/2 times what, Yoko? 1/2 times 5/7, right? Plus 1/2 times 4/7. So it's gonna be, I think it's gonna be 9/14, isn't it? Yeah. So this is the answer, which means getting red. Red, when you say red, you might think red from where? Okay? Red from where? From which box? So it can be box 1 or box 2. Okay? Something like that. What about the second one? The second one, they literally say in determine whether even A and R are independent, and A, which mean the box 1 is chosen. For the first question, we wrote P of like B1 as the box 1, right? But for the second, they just denote like A as the box one is chosen. So that means instead of writing B1, we writing BA. You got it? And what does it mean? Like independent events. What does it mean by that? Hmm? Uh, what does what is nothing affects it? It is like, yeah, you can say it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Have you ever heard say, "I am an independent woman in the world," something like that? So that means I am a woman. Oh, I'm a man. You know, it's just an example. I'm a woman. Okay, for example, I'm a woman. I'm no need, I don't need any man to buy iPad, to buy everything for me. So it's called independence. So in probability, independent events, which mean an events that happen without, and like relying on another event to happen. For example, like if I'm eating too much, I'm gonna be full. So that means I'm gonna be full is one event, and I'm eating too much is one event. So that means I'm gonna be full is an event that it relying on I'm eating too much. So it is, yeah, it impacted each other, right? It is. So so both of them are not, like, I can't just say they're not independent. But for example, if I'm eating, I'm eating, what can I say? It's like I'm eating lunch, and my leg, like laying plop 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 plop. There are two events, right? So that means if if I'm not having lunch, I also play with my legs. You understand? Or if I'm not playing with my legs, I'm still eating lunch. You can see, which means each event still happen. They don't really care whether, oh my gosh, it happened, and it don't happen, but I I I should occur, like, if another event occurs. No. So it's like, I'm really sorry for this. I don't know why my brain stopped for moments. Okay, so independent, which mean, yeah, I told you, it's like independence, which mean, um, an event that happened without relying on each other, or we can just say A and R. A and R, the box one and red. So that mean they just want us to verify whether, both events happen without relying on each other or not. You understand? Okay, so here, in order to verify that, you must remember one things. You should, it's like verify by finding P or what? P of A, which mean box one, P of R, which mean red, and P of A and R. Okay? P of A and R. So if P of A times P of R equal to P of A and R, that mean, A and R are independence. But if the multiplication between PA and PR are not equal to PA and R, which means they're not independent. Do you understand? So PA equal what? PA equal to 1/2, and PR equal what? 9/14, right? And P, A, and R equal what? 1/2 times 5/7, am I right? Which means 5/12. Oh, 14, I'm sorry. Please forgive me, God. So here, R equal what? I think it's 9/28, isn't it? Is different from PA and R. Okay? You understand? So I think they're not independent. Ain't independence. Okay? That's it. You understand, Yoko? Thank you for watching.